A former elementary school teacher's trial began today on charges of child sexual abuse. Duane Sanders was arrested in March 2023 and charged with 19 counts of sexual crimes involving 9 former students. News 12's Nick Hill has how one admission unraveled a web of disturbing incidents. Nick?
Sanders had taught first graders at Wallace A. Smith Elementary School in Ottawa. Pictures of his classroom shown on Wednesday showed peanut characters and other friendly faces throughout his classroom. However, prosecutors and parents say absolute horror unfolded behind closed doors. We do want to warn you that much of what you're about to hear is disturbing. This is what one mother of a Wallace A. Smith student said her child told them that ultimately led to the arrest of Duane Sanders. We're not showing or naming any of the victims or parents. The mother says that this admission was made while putting up laundry, after she discovered a hole in a pair of her child's clothing. She went on to describe how her child seemed to not understand the gravity of the situation.
He said it was an accident?
Wallace A. Smith's principal, Dr. Kelly Wise, said that she was approached by a detective in early March 2023 after a student had come forward alleging abuse. After more families came forward with allegations, Sanders was then suspended.
He said okay.
Did he ask you any questions?
He just said okay.
She testified that one student with allegations of sexual abuse had been personally recommended by Sanders himself to be in his classroom.
Said that he believed he could do well in first grade with some additional supports that he could provide, and so we placed in Mr. Sanders' class.
She also recalled an incident earlier in the 2022-23 school year where she said she had noticed a student sitting in Sanders' lap.
I had noticed that he had a student in his lap, and so I had a conversation with him about making sure that he didn't do that in order to protect himself and and making sure that we were being appropriate.
Sanders' trial continues into Thursday as the prosecution continues its case. Reporting from the Hamilton County Courts building, Nick Hill, News 12.